Hey, my name is Evan and I'm here to show you 3 different Shopify apps that you need for your store if you're just starting or you want to up your conversions. So I use these 3 apps in my stores and all 3 of them are super essential if you want to be able to get higher conversions for when you start your Shopify store. Now, a couple of them you might have already known before, but we're going to get into it anyway because there might be some additional information which you might not have known, before. So let's get into it. The first app that you're going to be needing is an app called Oberlo. So what Oberlo does is that it easily imports items from like AliExpress or different drop shipping stores onto your Shopify store. So so when someone makes an order or a purchase, because you have Oberlo on your website, it directly contacts AliExpress or another type of drop shipping website that, hey, this person ordered this website, boom, it's already ordered, it's already gone through. So it's a connecting device so that you don't have to go in there and individually sort out each and every single order. So it's a huge time saver and I really do recommend it. Easily import drop ship products, fulfill orders automatically. That's the big one. It's a huge time saver. Inventory price, product customization, but that's pretty much like all you really need to know is to be able to easily import dropship products, and it has that automatic order fulfillment. So it's very useful if you want to. It's the first app that I installed on my Shopify store, so I highly recommend Oberlo. And just a disclaimer before we continue, I'm in no way a sponsor of any of these applications. I do have a Shopify, my phone just went off. I do have a Shopify affiliate link inside of the description of this video. If you want to click it and start your Shopify journey today, there's a 14-day free trial. I would greatly appreciate if you click on that link. If not, you could just Google Shopify and just find your own link. You don't have to use my affiliate link or anything. This is just free information that I'm just giving out there for just yourself watching this. The second app that I've used is this one called Rivyu. It looks a little weird, but it is Rivyu. Now, what Rivyu does is that it imports customer reviews from AliExpress or different items. All you have to do is just copy and paste the HTML link into Rivyu, and then Rivyu automatically gets the customer reviews from AliExpress and brings them on to your store. I think you're allowed a maximum of about 20 reviews per item. I think there's a way that you can pay for more and end up getting, so you see that there's 40 reviews right here. I'm pretty sure that they pay for that because I was only allowed 20. I'm only allowed 20 on my store, but it's great for social proof. And there's other things that you can do in there. You can kind of like, you can do some spelling corrections and stuff like that. You can actually get into the comments and the reviews themselves and delete anything that doesn't really make sense on the reviews, or delete X amount of reviews that you want, and you don't have to have just 20. You can have like 5, 10, or however many that you want. So this is the second app that I do recommend for your Shopify store. It is Rivyu. So the first one is Oberlo. Second one is, I clicked on something. Second one is Rivyu, and then the third one is SpinASale. So SpinASale, it might be a little more pricier of an option because it ends up going to $10 a month after the first 10 days. There is a couple other email pop-up sequences that you can find on the Shopify store, but SpinASale is pretty much the basic one. And you get a 10-day free trial with it, which is absolutely great. Now, why I recommend SpinASale isn't because it's like a cool little fun app. It's for collecting emails, and emails are super important if you're going to be doing any Facebook or Instagram advertising with your Shopify store. So, you can collect your pixel once that's on your Shopify website through your Facebook Business Ads Manager. You can then sync that with your SpinASale, and then you can end up collecting emails for anyone that goes into SpinASale. So pretty much it's just like a pop-up, which you can kind of see here, and a customer, all they have to do is input their email, into there, and then they can win whatever prizes you set up. You can do 5%, 10%, 20% off anything in the store, or have something a little more specific, or have your own little niche, or your own little proper store language, whatever you want to do. But SpinASale is absolutely great for collecting emails. And then even if you have a lot of promotions, my recommendation, if you don't want to pay the $10 per month, there's a few other ones that have free trials that are similar to SpinASale. There's a few other apps that are similar to SpinASale. So you can do a 10-day free trial, but do it when you are doing an Instagram ad, Instagram promotion, an influencer promotion, Facebook ad. Do it within that time when you know you're going to get a lot of traffic in that 10 days, so that you can collect those emails, and then you can import them into your computer, and then you can export them onto Facebook to use as a pixel. So if you collect over 1,000, 1,500, or 2,000 emails within that short span of time of 10 days, then Facebook's going to have enough information in it to start targeting people that are interested in your products. So it's a great way. And then you can also do like, for people that like don't buy anything on your store, you can always do email marketing to get them back in the store as well. So those are my 3 apps that I recommend for any beginner to put onto their Shopify store. So first one's Oberlo, then Rivyu, then SpinASale. And as a bonus, to save some money, since it's not an application, there's a website, excuse me, I can't even speak English today. There's a website called ConversionPirate. Now on ConversionPirate, you can do /pirate-countdown/, and it brings you to this page where you can import a countdown timer onto your Shopify store. Now, a countdown timer is super useful because it brings on scarcity, so if there's a countdown timer is like 10 minutes remaining with your order, you need to fill out your order right now, a potential customer is more likely to fill out the information that will be down there in a quicker fashion than if they just show up, than if they just end up showing up at a checkout, at your checkout site, and there's no urgency. Well, it's not scarcity, it's urgency. They don't have any urgency to put any of their information down. So it's great. One of the biggest online retailers, well, I guess they're kind of a retailer, not Ticketmaster, they have this on every single page. I think it's only for like 4 minutes or 5 minutes or something like that, so they can process tickets a lot quicker. That brings out a ton of urgency for people to buy their tickets, and this is a free application, or not even application, it's just a free configuration, and all the links and all the app links I'll be providing in my description as well, so you're more than free to just click on those, because I'm not affiliated with any of the four websites that I'm showing you today, or the 3 apps in one website. But yeah, no, ConversionPirate is excellent for little things that you don't want to pay for a Shopify store, because I'm pretty sure you have to pay for a countdown timer on your Shopify store. So this is a great way to just input it into your store automatically without having to worry about paying or spending money on an application when you don't have to, and it's pretty easy to do. So those are my recommendations for how you can start selling on Shopify, the 3 apps and 1 website, ConversionPirate, in order for you to get started on your Shopify journey. And if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button, which will be somewhere around over here. Hit that subscribe button, because I'm going to have more business tutorials come out over the next few months. Absolutely free tutorials. But if you want to use my Shopify referral link, you can use that right down in the description. I would greatly appreciate it. But if not, just Google Shopify, and you can get started on your 14-day free trial. So yeah, thanks for checking me out, and I'll catch you in the next video.